Dude, where's my bobber at?
We're here.
All right, we made it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next episode of Wiley Boys. We are at the lake today, fishing for crappie, sand bass, catfish, whatever bites. Me and Andrew out here sitting on a bunch of rocks fishing these rocks, and they are very uncomfortable. But besides that time of year, guys, today we're using
Bobber with about a 2.5 foot leader to a split shot to a little hook with a live minnow on there. And we're just throwing them out right here, not even 5-6 feet in front of us.
catch them about 2 to 4 feet of water in front of us.
Tossing it right out in front of us.
And just waiting. Yeah, so we'll be out here for a while trying to see how many crappie we can get or catfish. So stay tuned. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Do you have anything else for me, Andrew?
Hopefully we can get into some. We'll see what happens though.
Yeah. All right, well, stay tuned. And look, Andrew's already getting a bite. Look at this.
Fish on. Yeah, that's a slab. Oh, get him, get him, get him. Look at that, he somehow broke me off. Really don't know how. That's nuts.
Nice. That's a huge one, bro. Nice.
It's a good 13-14 inch crappie right there. We aren't keeping any of these fish. We're just out here fishing for fun. We're gonna let this dude go. Here's the back fin. We're hooking it right in between that and the tail. Gives them a little swimming action when they're down there. Throwing it about 5 feet from the bank.
Fish on. A little baby crop. Been here only about 5 minutes, already caught 2 fish. It's a baby little crappie. It's a pretty fish.
It's good for your fish tank.
Yeah, I could put this in my fish tank, but I think that's illegal. 1 crappie down, plenty more to go.
Yeah, right there.
All right, now we go back to waiting. All bobbers are all lined up. You barely see them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Wind's picking up a little bit. That's good though. That means they're pushing all the bait fish up to the rocks, and all the fish are gonna come feeding on these rocks. That's why it's key to use live bait in situations like this. I'll return whenever I get one. Nice channel.
It's a good 18-inch fish. Alright, we're out here at Laguna on the rocks. Out here fishing with live minnows, going for crappie and catfish. And that is a pretty decent channel cat for sure. We're just gonna let him go right down here. Hey, buddy. Something's damn. I'm doubled up, bro. You gotta help me. Another fat crappie. Yeah, I just had 2 on. That was a bad catch, guys. No. You wanna come get this fish? Come on, send Caleb to save the fish.
I love how it's always me. Where's he at?
He's in that hole.
Where?
Right there, you see him? I'm on bobber duty. So we currently dropped the fish, or he came off the hook, and he fell into these rocks. So Caleb's having to move the rocks and dig down into there. Did we get him? Yeah. Got him. He was deep in there. Another decent crappie out here, definitely a keeper. Gonna let him go back.
Andrew dropped that damn crappie down there. I had to go get him. All right, back to the waiting game.
Another channel. Good eater. We aren't eating these today though. But this is just to show y'all, every season's early this year. Or I guess catfish is kind of right on time. They normally start in like May, but they're a little early. But these dudes are definitely moving up to spawn. Right up in these rocks. Throwing my pole right up underneath this tree right here. Currently getting hit right now. Swimming around with my bobber. He's just swimming with it right now. God, that was a crappie. I don't know if y'all can see, but my bobber is going. It's a decent little crappie right there. Sorry about the drag being so low. There's cats out here. It's a white crappie. It's a good one. Beautiful fish. See that, bro? What the f, bro? God, I went all day without getting wet. Then I just jump in the lake. I get soaked now. Ready to go. I'm just kidding. I could have ate more. Like if I would have tripped and fell like that would have been bad. But I like jumped into my savior. Fish on. Oh my, that is a huge crappie, guys. This is definitely a 13, 14 incher easy. It's a big fish. Fat too.
Got one on.
Fish on. Kitty. Oh man.
What a blast, dude.
What a blast. 15, 16 incher. Not heavy by any means, but it's a good eater. Oh, there we go.
Took a little bit. Tell them what we're using today.
Using some live minnows.
Live minutes.
It's a little fatty.
Slowed down for a good 20-30 minutes.
It's a small one, but it's a good little white crappie. He chowed that minnow though. Oh, slab. Nice, good white. It's a good keeper for sure.
Nice. Go down and grab him. I don't want to drop him. Yeah.
It's good blue.
He's a good eater. He's oinking. Yep. Well. Fish on. Nice little kitty. Oh, these freaking rocks, dude. Nice little blue. That's a blue, right? It's like a dirty blue.
I think it's a channel.
You think it's a channel?
Another keeper crappie for sure. I'm real good at identifying white and black crappie, but if I had to guess, that's a black. Damn, I have back problems sitting right here, dude. Shit, you would have got it. It's a good white, definitely a keeper.
Just made it that much better, guys. One's got this one, bro. You got something on that pole. Hey, look at that.
Another good keeper crappie. He might be a little bit small, but he's at least 8 or 9. It's crazy, I didn't even realize I had this fish on there.
Yeah, and then we wait. I don't know why they'd be so fired up like they were earlier today. They were super fired up, but now it's just slow, super slow. Well, I'll let y'all know when I get one. Finally got one. That's a nice one too. Been waiting for about 45 minutes for another fish, and we finally got one. The big slab. Sperming everywhere.
Let's see.
Cheers! Reel it in. Pick it up, bro. What are you doing? It's not a humongous one, but that's definitely a keeper. It's a good 10-incher. Probably a little bit bigger, probably 11, but I wouldn't say too much. Sheesh! Feeding right now. I don't know what it is. Like a feeding frenzy over here. We're giving them a buffet to eat from 4 poles. Using all live minnows. I'm gonna let this guy go. I'm not keeping any fish, like I said before.
Good white crappie.
That was a good white crappie. Pole just got slammed. Picked it up and stopped messing with it, huh? Oh my.
Get him in.
Oh my god.
That is a slab, bro. Gotta get a picture of that thing.
Did you see that?
Show the belly on that thing. I think it's fat.
That thing is fatter than can be. She pushed up on these rocks, guys.
That's a good 13, 14 inches.
We'll let this beast go so she can lay her eggs. Oh, that was a giant. Let's go. I have not had the best luck here. Where'd my bobber for this pole go? Something has this pole, bro. Little baby kitty. What are the odds? What are the odds? Back to back. Little baby kitty cat. Nice little channel. Little baby. Oh, well, that was gonna be a better release than that, but oh well. That's crazy, guys. Back to back right there.
You got 2 minnows left, so.
I was like, dude, I kept looking over. I was like, where's my bobber?
Yeah, I saw you.
I was like, where's my bobber at? Down to the last minnow. So after this, fortunately, it looks like we gotta go because we ain't got no more live bait. All right, guys, so that's it for today's episode.
All we did was find a random pile of rocks. As you can see, there's nothing but rocks all up in here, so.
And we're just fishing the rocks, and they're about 2 to 5 feet in water, and they're just hitting right in front of us.
Not far at all. Literally 3-4 feet we're casting max.
We used about 4 dozen minnows when we were out here today. We've been out here for quite a while. The live bait worked really well. We didn't use anything else but live bait. Something a little bit different than using rooster tails all the time like we're known for.
The wind right now is about 22 miles per hour, so we had to come in this little cut where this wall right here is pretty much blocking everything off. So crappie and catfish are definitely moved up though. I should come out and try to catch some.
They're on the rocks for sure, cats and craps. Thank you to all of our fans out there who got us to 500 subscribers. It's awesome. That's what we do it for, to meet new people, build our community.
That's just a step of what we want to reach, to be honest. It's not a lot at all, but
we're gonna grow with you guys. We got a lot to learn ourselves. We're not professional fishermen at all by any means, but we're all doing it for fun, and that's what.
Appreciate the support for sure. So.
If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. See you guys later.
Deuces. Gotta get a picture of that thing.
That's why we fish all day, to catch big fish. I think it was a slab.